Hey there, today we're diving into the world of wearable tech with a close look at the Samsung Galaxy Ring. If you're considering upgrading your smart accessory game, stick around because we've got all the details you need to know. First up, let's talk about the price. The Samsung Galaxy Ring may be compact, but it comes with a price tag of $400. Now, that might seem steep compared to some other options out there, but here's the catch. Unlike its competitors, like the Aura Ring, which starts at $299 plus a monthly subscription, the Galaxy Ring is a one-time purchase. That means no extra fees down the line, making it potentially more cost-effective in the long run. Moving on to availability. The Galaxy Ring is already up for pre-orders since July 10th, and it's hitting shelves for the general public on July 24th. You can snag yours directly from Samsung's website, or swing by Samsung Experience stores and select retailers. Plus, if you order directly from Samsung, they throw in a handy sizing kit to ensure a perfect fit. Now, let's geek out over the specs. The Galaxy Ring comes in sleek titanium black, titanium silver, and titanium gold finish. It's super slim at just 7.0 x to 0.6 millimeters and weighs between 2.3 grams to 3.0 grams, depending on the size. With 8 megabytes of memory and a battery life ranging from 6 to 7 days depending on the size, it's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Plus, it charges fully in just 80 minutes, thanks to its efficient charging case. But wait, there's more. If you ever misplace your Galaxy Ring, fear not. Samsung's Find app lets you track it down using your Galaxy smartphone. It can even flash green and red to help you locate it, though it doesn't buzz or ring audibly. Compatibility-wise, it plays nice with any Android smartphone that can run the Samsung Health app. Just a heads up for iPhone users, though, there's no iOS support as of now. And there you have it, everything you need to decide if the Samsung Galaxy Ring is your next must-have tech upgrade. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.